All right, so let's look at this example. Two fair die are thrown. We want to find the probabilities of the following events. First, that both die show a 4, and second, that at least one die shows a 4. Okay, so let's first list the sample space. Let's realize if we're throwing two dice, we could get a 1 and a 1 on our dice. We could get a 1 on the first die and a 2 on the second, a 1 and a 3, a 1 and a 4, a 1 and a 5, and a 1 and a 6. Okay, so that's every choice with 1 on the first die. Let's notice we could also get 2 on the first die and a 1 on the second, 2 on the first die and a 2 on the second. We could get a 2 and a 3, a 2 and a 4, a 2 and a 5, 2 and a 6. And let's just keep going in this fashion. We could get a 3 on the first one and a 1 on the second, a 3 and a 2, a 3 and a 3. And of course we can list them all out in this systematic manner and get all of the different possibilities for our die. We could get a 4 and a 1, 4 and a 2, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 4, and 4 and a 5, 4 and a 6, and of course we can get 5 on the first die and go up all of our possibilities on the second die. And of course lastly we could get a 6 on that first die and any of the other possibilities on the second die. Okay, so notice there are 36 different possibilities there in our sample space. So let's answer question 1 first. We wanted to have the probability that both dice show a 4. Now let's notice there's only one choice where both of the die show a 4. That's the 4-4 choice. So there's only one of those out of 36. And that's it for that one. Number 2, though, we want at least one die to show a 4. So if we notice that the ones where at least one die show a 4 are either in this column where all the second die show a 4, or in this row where all of the first die show a 4. So let's count them, and let's be sure not to count the 4 twice. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them where we have at least one die with a 4. So that's 11 out of 36. Now, notice with this sort of an exercise, the question could be something like, what's the probability that the sum of the die is 6? And you would have to go through and look and see where you would add up the two die and get a 6, like this one, 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 5 and 1. And those kinds of questions are common. So we have to list our sample space to help us figure out the answers to this kind of a question.